Good thing I just watched that National Geographic special on fire trucks.
A solitary killer, the fire truck stalks its prey. The fire truck can consume 8 times its body weight. The ambulances will have to wait their turn.
Now we can live with you again, even though you're a dangerous retard.
Don't say retard, Chris. We prefer to be called little people. Because there's nothing wrong with being mentally challenged. In fact, I've learned that we are superior people. Above all you dumb, brainy smarties. Someday you will beg us for mercy, and we will consider it.
Isn't it wonderful that everything's back to normal?
Yeah. Oh, God, nobody move.
What is it?
Nothing, I'll get it.